So when it comes to internet on the cruise ships, a lot of things are changing. We all know that Royal Caribbean has it on 2 of their ships. They're also testing it on the Liberty of the Seas and the Enchantment of the Seas. Did you know that they're not the only ones to have it? Well, my name's Stuart. This is Ship to Shore Cruise News. Let's talk about it. So Royal Caribbean has come out and stated that by the end of the first quarter 2023, they will have all their ships on all their cruise lines fully equipped with Starlink internet. It's great news for people who travel on Royal Caribbean, on Celebrity, and Silversea as well. And that's a great addition to their services. It's also interesting to know that they will be the second fleet they'll be the second cruise line that will have this on their system, on their cruises. Hurtigergten Expeditions have it already on all their ships. What's interesting is that a Reddit user recently has shared some information that on the RCCL Breakaway, they have taken photos of Starlink receivers on the ship. There's about 18 of them that they photographed on the RCCL Breakaway. And hopefully it's signs of improvement to the internet on that ship and on Norwegian cruise lines as well. Norwegian has not replied to anybody's inquiries as to whether or not they are testing it, but I think it's pretty obvious that they are if their receivers are on the ship. They've made no announcements and replied to no inquiries. When it comes to Starlink internet on the cruise ships, I'm told that it's a much better experience for the users, and I'm looking forward to using it myself as I am booked on the Breakaway at the end of January of 2023. So I'm looking forward to that as I already have the internet package in my cruise. Now, what's interesting to know is, yes, you might have better reception, better upload speed, better latency, and so on, but across the ship, you're inside a lot of little metal boxes, and it's very hard for that internet signal to get through all those metal walls. I know from experience, I've been in my in my experiences, I've been in my cabin, and I've had no internet signal at all in my cabin. It seems to be spotty in certain areas of the ship, but that's understandable because you're in a little metal box in a bunch of bigger metal boxes floating out on the sea. I know that when you do have access to the internet with Starlink, it's going to be a much better experience for everybody. That's some great news moving forward. I hope you're all excited about it. Now, for a little surprise, for staying to the end of this video, I'd like to share a secret on how to get the best cruise prices possible. The best thing to do when you're looking for the cheapest fares is to